Okay guys, it's a bit windy today, but I'm outside. I want to do this review of this magnetic sweeper. It's a 30-inch rolling, and it is made in the USA from USA and Global Components by AJC Tools and Equipment, Hudson, Ohio. Now the reason I bought this is I had a roof put on my house by a contractor here in the Toledo area, Rock Roofing, and they had one of these. I had several, and I've always wanted something like this anyways, because I've got projects that I'm doing. Sometimes I'm out in the yard with nails, this and that, whatever, screws, and if you drop them, you hope that you get them all. So I thought I've got to get one of these. So I ended up buying it, and I also ran it through the yard again. It's a good thing when I had the roof done. You'll be surprised how many nails you'll find after the fact, even though that I helped them run their magnet, plus they did too. So anyways, this is the main reason why I bought this. And again, like I said, to have it around the house for times when I am working out in the yard with stuff, to find metal products that you might have dropped, or you certainly don't want to get any tires in your tractor, riding tractor, lawnmower, or your car if it's in the driveway. Now this thing is contractor grade. It is very heavy duty, extremely well built. Here you see the wheel. It's a firm type of rubber, the plastic rim. It's got a large wing nut type of got a bolt on it. You can loosen this up. No tools required to adjust this up and down so that you can adjust the height of your magnet above the ground. Here you see it's got a square nut, and so when you loosen this, it's within a it's in a thing to where it can't rotate, so there's no tools required. It's set in and it slides up and down, and it's got notches every so often so that you can make sure both sides are adjusted to the same spot. The handle is removable. It's got a wing nut here, so you can't take it apart should you want to. It's got this nice grip on the handle. So let's see this in action. Here's a nail. Here's some staples. These are all things that I got out of the yard after they had left, just sweeping again. Normally they'll just be over like this, but like I said, this is things that I did get out of the yard, out of my grass and my driveway. So now to release that, you simply take this handle right here and you just pull up on it. Releases whatever was caught, put it down. See, there's your nail and the staple. Alright, we're going to try this with the magnet now. We got a staple here. I'll put it right here. Got a staple here, a nail, a little small staple here, just one piece, a screw, another couple staples put together, and a nail. So I'm just going to hold this up by hand and run this across. We'll see how this works. Now it got everything up. They're all right here. There's a staple, 3 of them together. There's a nail, screw, There's the single staple right here, a couple staples together there, and the screw, or the nail, I mean. So I picked them all up. And I wanted to do it on this board because it's easier to see it pick it up. Obviously it works great in the grass, in the driveway, but I did it on this board because it was just easier to see it than to try to do it in the grass. You could literally see it pick it up. Now here's an example of using that sweeper when they did the roof on a Thursday, Friday, and about 3 hours on a Saturday. I went ahead and that Saturday purchased this sweeper that you see in the review, and I ran it and picked up nails and threw them in the dumpster because it was still here. Well, when they picked up the dumpster on Monday, obviously I used that before I pulled in the driveway. The part that I could get, I pulled into. The part where the dumpster was, I ran the magnetic sweeper tool, and in the yard, in the side yard, in the back, both sides, you know, all around the yard. And I was amazed that I got all these nails. So the sweeper tool does work excellent. I highly recommend it. I've never used any other one, so I can't say that, you know, but I wouldn't go cheap on something like this. I definitely would make sure you got something that worked well, because you don't want to get nails in your lawn tractor, your tires, your car. If you're going to have guests coming over and they're parking in your lawn, you just don't need to worry about that. Something else I learned about this putting this roof on and doing a tear off is you will find nails and nails. So that's why I was diligent, even though, you know, during the job they were using the tool. Before they left, they used the tool. I even used it during the job just to kind of help out as they went around areas. Was getting nails, and you still get nails. So anyways, this was pretty amazing. Again, this being after they picked up the dumpster, the job was completed, and I still found all these kinds of nails in my grass. So it's pretty good. One thing I would recommend, if you're going to do a roof, you're going to have you're doing it yourself, you're going to have a contractor, keep the grass short. It's going to make it a whole lot easier. That's what I did. Just make sure it's cut short. It's going to be a whole lot easier for cleanup with shingles and nails. And you know, that's a big favor you can do for yourself.